Welcome to my channel, Speak English with Natalie. Today we are going to have a speaking practice.
Every morning, I wake up at 7 and brush my teeth. Then, I go for a run to start my day.
Wake up. I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
Brush my teeth. I go to the bathroom and brush my teeth.
I go to the bathroom and brush my teeth.
Go for a run. I go for a run in the morning.
I go for a run in the morning.
Take a shower. I take a shower after my run.
I take a shower after my run.
Get dressed. I get dressed for work.
I get dressed for work.
Have breakfast. I have breakfast at 8 o'clock.
I have breakfast at 8 o'clock.
Go to work. I go to work by bus.
I go to work by bus.
Attend a meeting. I attend a meeting at 10 a.m.
I attend a meeting at 10 a.m.
Grab a coffee. I grab a coffee during my break.
I grab a coffee during my break.
Work on the computer. I work on the computer all day.
I work on the computer all day.
Have lunch. I have lunch at 1 p.m.
I have lunch at 1 p.m.
Go home. I go home at 6 p.m.
I go home at 6 p.m.
Do grocery shopping. I do grocery shopping after work.
I do grocery shopping after work.
Cook dinner. I cook dinner for my family.
I cook dinner for my family.
Do the dishes. I do the dishes after dinner.
I do the dishes after dinner.
Read the news. I read the news in the evening.
I read the news in the evening.
Watch TV. I watch TV for an hour.
I watch TV for an hour.
Read a book. I read a book before sleep.
I read a book before sleep.
Stretch. I stretch before bed.
I stretch before bed.
Turn on the alarm. I turn on the alarm for the next day.
I turn on the alarm for the next day.
Go to bed. I go to bed at 10 p.m.
I go to bed at 10 p.m.